Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my camping vlog. The weather today is really nice, perfect for another day of adventure. For today's video, let's try to catch some fish. I'll start by making this improvised fishing rod. Got one, I'll put it in the bucket, and now it's time to grill this fresh catch over the fire. This grilled fish tastes amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more camping vlogs. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more camping vlogs.